Did you know saying bless you after a sneeze has ancient roots tied to protecting your soul? Back in the day, sneezing was believed to eject your spirit or invite evil spirits in. People also thought a sneeze could be an early sign of the plague, so blessings were a way to ward off illness. Saying bless you was like a quick spell to keep bad vibes or disease away. Next time you say it, you're actually participating in a centuries-old ritual for protection. What weird tradition do you find most fascinating? Drop a comment and subscribe to Mind and Time Chronicles.